it's high time that I updated you on my hair length, and while I'm at it, I will do a run through of my routine real quick. So I am still using the Function of Beauty shampoo. That one's my husband's. So what has this been? More than a year, I think. Yeah, probably well over a year now. Yeah, love it. Love, love, love it. But I have so much of it because I just don't need as much as they send me. And even like getting a shipment once every 6 months, I'm still like building up excess. So yeah, and I've even been washing my hair slightly more regularly. I usually do once a week, and this summer has been very, very humid and muggy, so I've actually been sometimes washing twice a week. And still doing an apple cider vinegar rinse. What else? Gray hair. I found a new product for my gray hairs, which is this. One of the things that has bothered me about... Mommy? Yes, Garrick. Okay, so one of the things that has bothered me about dyeing my hair is that, you know, when I want to do just a root touch-up, I'm using a whole box of hair dye, and it's way more than I need. I don't mix my own. So I found out that they have this, which the top is missing, but it's got two separate components, so you mix them on the spot and you can save some for later. They say 3 uses. So, and it processes in only 5 minutes. So very, very convenient. Can quickly do just the amount of roots that I want to and rinse it out and save the rest for the next time. And then I also am using this hair mascara that Lila Rose just came out with occasionally if like my roots are showing and we're about to go out and do something, like the last time when I went to see my mother-in-law. I put that on real quick. I've been taking care of my skin recently. This is new. I have been watching all kinds of skin channels here on YouTube, and I don't have any concerns with my skin, but just like, I'm almost 40. That's a thing that one is supposed to do, and I've been really enjoying it as like a self-care ritual. So I got a bunch of things from the Inky list and been taking care of my skin. Products. Still using bamboo hair towels. I got a second one. This one is all stained with hair dye, but that's all it is. So still using and loving those. Of course, my satin sleep caps. I'm a huge believer in that. I feel like there was something else, but no, I guess that's it. So let's look at the length.